The first attack threats that a country or a certain combat zone can expect to receive from the outside will always be those that arrive by air. And they will do so using a wide variety of launched systems, whether they are located on land, on or under the sea, and from the air. And they could be some of the following. The airspace defense, AED, from now, of a nation, of an army, is the first barrier available to ensure territorial security and integrity. The systems and means that make up an airspace defense system, AED, are of two levels, strategic and tactical. In this first video, I will focus on strategic level media and systems. I will analyze the strategic air defense systems from the farthest to the Earth, and we will gradually descend. We start in the thermosphere, where military satellites orbit. Strategically, an AED system begins with a network of terrestrial surveillance and observation satellites. Recall that, right now, there are about 2,000 satellites that surround the Earth, in different orbits. We will see a scheme of the orbits used by the different types of satellites. In the so-called LEO orbit, is where the satellites that interest us are located. They are surveillance and observation. It comprises from 200 kilometers from land to 2,000 kilometers. In the MEO orbit, there are the global navigation and positioning satellites. It covers from 2,000 kilometers to 35,786 kilometers. In the GEO or geostationary orbit, there are meteorological and communications satellites. The distance is maintained at 35,786 kilometers. And finally, there is the HEO orbit, starting at 35,786 kilometers.